I think a big thing I've seen in my own companies and others is, you know, a lack of a gap analysis, right? And I think it's really important to spend a lot of time really early knowing where your knowledge gaps are, where your equipment gaps are, you know, and so forth, and then have a strategy to fill those gaps, right? And, you know, in the context of CDMOs, right, you know, what I found is finding partners, right, who have multiple capabilities, right, is usually the most expeditious and effective, right? So you might have someone who help you with formulation. It's really good if they can help you with analytical too, right? And especially if a problem arises and you need to develop a method quickly, you know, having it all together, I found is, you know, has been a great asset, as opposed to now you're managing multiple partners to solve the same problem. Right? So, you know, again, so my thinking is gaps, right? Look for gaps in knowledge, look for gaps in physical capabilities, right? Make sure your management knows those gaps, right? You know, don't just address it, you know, privately. Make sure it's everyone's problem, and then do everything you can, whether that be through consultants, various partnerships, to fill them as soon as you can.